Katy Perry shares thoughts on Carrie Underwood replacing her as American Idol judge. Katy Perry's reaction to Carrie Underwood stepping into her role as a judge on American Idol has been overwhelmingly positive. As Perry announced her departure from the popular singing competition in early 2024, fans were left wondering who would replace her. The speculation was finally put to rest months later when Underwood was confirmed as her successor, taking over as a judge beginning with season 23 of the show. With Perry having been a staple of American Idol for years, her departure marked the end of an era, and the arrival of Underwood as her replacement was a significant change. However, Katy's reaction to Carrie taking over her spot has been one of support and admiration. In an interview with People, Perry shared her belief that Underwood would do an outstanding job filling her shoes. Perry, who had spent years on the panel, emphasized that Underwood's experience on American Idol made her the perfect fit for the role. "She was born on that show," Perry said, referring to the fact that Underwood was a former contestant on the show and had won the fourth season back in 2005. Perry noted that Carrie's experience as a contestant would allow her to approach the role of judge with a unique understanding of the process and what contestants go through. Perry pointed out that while artists like herself have been in a similar position, having been in the contestants' shoes in their own careers, Carrie has lived through the entire experience of competing on American Idol every single day, giving her an intimate understanding of the challenges the contestants face. Perry's words suggested that Underwood's first-hand experience would provide her with a unique advantage as a judge. As a former contestant herself, Underwood would be able to bring a level of empathy and insight to her critiques that might be different from other judges. In addition, Perry expressed confidence that Carrie's perspective would be invaluable to contestants, stating that Underwood would have a lot to offer anyone that's willing to listen. Katy seems certain that Underwood's extensive knowledge of the American Idol journey, from auditioning to winning, would allow her to offer guidance and advice that would resonate with the hopeful contestants. Carrie Underwood echoed Perry's sentiment in her own interview with Good Morning America, where she shared that her experience on both sides of the American Idol stage, first as a contestant and now as a judge, would allow her to offer contestants a unique viewpoint. Underwood explained that having seen both sides of the coin would help her provide insight to the contestants in a way that would be different from the other judges. She added that while she could be very honest with her feedback, she hoped to offer constructive criticism alongside encouragement, emphasizing the importance of being both direct and supportive in her role as a judge. Underwood's comments revealed her awareness of the challenges she would face in balancing honesty with encouragement. She jokingly acknowledged that one of her big problems might be her tendency to be too honest in her feedback, but she hoped to make sure that her remarks were always helpful to the contestants' growth. Katy Perry announced her departure from American Idol in February 2024 during an appearance on Jimmy Kimmel Live, where she shared that her decision was motivated by a desire to travel the world and focus on new music. Despite stepping away from the show, Perry did not completely rule out the possibility of returning in the future, leaving fans hopeful that she may one day return to the American Idol stage. As for Carrie Underwood, stepping into Perry's shoes is a significant moment in her career. She now has the opportunity to bring her unique perspective to the show, guiding the next generation of American Idol contestants with a combination of honesty, empathy, and insight from her own journey.